To access the camera and listen to its audio, go to the View tab. Double-click on the camera that you want to access. In the Timeline section, adjust the volume by clicking on the speaker icon. If the camera has a speaker connected, a microphone icon will show on the video. Click it to speak through the attached speaker. To speak through multiple cameras, double-click on each to add them to the view. If each camera has a compatible speaker, the microphone icon will show on their live view. To speak through them simultaneously, use the microphone icon at the top of the layout.